Yes, dear students of class 11, this topic mechanical properties of fluids it is not syllabus. So first of all, mechanical properties of fluids. I will discuss some simple topics first. Like there is a term here, density. So you are learning it from very early time. Density. The density of material. The density of a material is defined as mass per unit volume. So, if mb the mass of a material or substance, you can say material or substance of volume V, then its density is given by you can write is small d equal to mass upon volume m upon v. Some people write rho for this, no problem. Density mass upon volume. Question arises why we study density. By knowing density we can tell a body is lighter or heavier, more massive or less massive. Like iron is heavier than water, so density of iron is higher than water. Wood has less density than water. So by knowing density, the density of wood is less than that of water. So by knowing density we can know the relative heaviness. Is that clear? Now why I am telling, because I feel difficulty with students when I say, so unit of density in MKS system and SI system is kg per meter cube, or you can write as kg upon meter cube. In CGS system, unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. This time I am little depressed because just before this period I was having students with me and I explained them so many things and I'm revising their chapter work power energy, and they were unable to prove the topics which I have told many times, like in head-on elastic collision. They were not able to derive the velocity after collision. So please keep on revising. And so, for example, density of water in MK system is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, and in and in CGS system it is 1 gram per centimeter cube. We have to understand the meaning of this. 1000 kg per meter cube. Now, dear student, 1 meter length, is this much. This much length is 1 meter. If we have container of length 1 meter, breadth 1 meter, height 1 meter, so that will have volume 1 meter cube. If we fill water in that container, the mass of water will be 1000 kilogram. This is the meaning of that thing. Density of water 1000 kg per meter cube means if we have a container whose length, breadth, height of 1 meter, then density of water is this. It is at 4 degrees centigrade. Similarly, there is a unit of volume, liter. A unit of volume is liter. These fundamental things, unit of volume is liter. Liter is also unit of volume. When we ask what is liter, they get confused. Students are unable to tell what is liter. It is unit of volume. To prepare a cubic container of 1 liter, what dimension is there? In fact, 1 liter means 1 decimeter cube. And 1 decimeter, in fact, is equal to 10 centimeter. So if we have a cube of length 10 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter, height 10 centimeter, then the volume of that container will be 1 liter. And therefore 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube means 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So it will be 1000 centimeter cube, 1 liter. And 1 liter also is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, because 1 decimeter is 0.1 meter. So these terms should be very clear in brain, otherwise we get caught in trouble. So density of water can also be read, density of water can also be written as 1 kg per liter. Means if you have container of 1 liter, means length, breadth 10 centimeter, then mass of water in that will be 1 kg. Density of milk is less than that of water. You purchase milk from the milkman, and he measures actually not in kilogram, he measures in liter. If you say 1 kg, he is not giving 1 kg, he is giving 1 liter water, of milk, which is less than 1 kg. We people of science should understand all these terms very clearly. You might have learned in chemistry 22.4 liter. क्या होता है molar volume of gas at STP. Now there is one more term, relative density. Relative density or specific gravity. Specific gravity. The same thing, relative density or specific gravity, the same thing. Why I am telling, actually, students studying 12th class, when some of these things come there, they get confused. So what is relative density? The relative density of a material is defined as the ratio of density of the material to the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. Because density of water keep on changing with temperature. You will learn thermal expansion. When a metal heated, its volume increases, and density mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. If molecular mass volume increases, then density will go to decrease. It is not. So that's why it is set at 4 degrees centigrade. And therefore RD, that's RD or specific gravity. Gravity equal to density of material or body divided by density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. So why we talk about specific gravity or relative density? By knowing relative density, we can tell whether body heavier than water or lighter than water. For example, if I say RD of stone equal to 5, I say it means stone is 5 times heavier than water. And if you know RD, then RD multiplied by density of water will give density. So by knowing relative density, we can tell whether a substance is lighter than water, like wood has density 0.8. Relative density of material like wood is near less than 1, 0.8. So it is lighter than water. So please remember these pretty topics in your brain. Density, mass upon volume. So कोई other meaning नहीं पता है, but density का मतलब mass per volume. Many people I have asked them. Now the chapter name is mechanical properties of fluids. So what is fluid? Fluid क्या है? Common person are always in confusion. I asked some people say take fluid diet. They are mistaken. They talk in terms of only liquid. Liquid is not the fluid. Fluid are the materials which have which do not have their own shape. The materials or substances which do not have their own fixed shape are called fluid. They take the shape of container in which they are kept. The fluids, I write here the fluids take the shape of container in which they are placed. They are placed. This term, they are therefore liquids and gases. Therefore, liquids and gases both are fluids. The fluids have tendency to flow, and that flow will take place only because of pressure difference. I mean, air blows from east to west or west to east. There are many type of motion. I mean, there is a basic difference between solid and fluids. There is a basic difference between solids and fluids. That is shearing stress. Shearing stress produces small change in shape of solids. Without changing volume. That's why we said solids are rigid. Their volume does not change, but shape may change. Just in last chapter I told you shearing modulus or modulity. While in fluids there occurs a large change in shape and size also, means volume, by a small shearing stress. And almost we can say that shearing stress, that modulus of shearing stress, modulus of shearing, we can say that shearing modulus of elasticity of fluids is negligible. negligibly small. Or they don't have rigidity, and hence the liquids don't have, fluids don't have rigidity. You can say, and hence we can say that fluids have no rigidity. There are meaning of this thing and application. ये सब हैं. तो this was all introduction to the fluids. We will learn later now that molecules of fluids are in random motion. They keep on moving, and random motion increases with the increase of temperature. And that movement of the molecules of fluid due to temperature is called their thermal agitation. I will take in next video.